Hi everyone, Jenny here from Jenny's Home. Today I'm going to be sprucing up these planters. I planted these back in September. It's January right now in South Jersey. I have a really nice warm day. It's kind of windy, but it's warm, it's a little sunny, and so this is a great day for me to be out. These have this beautiful cabbage. This purple color is just gorgeous right now. I have a few pansies that I'm going to be leaving in here, and then I had some taller grasses. I've cut these down because I'm going to transplant these in the spring because these will definitely come back. So just to brighten it up, I'm going to add some evergreen from a shrub that I have close by here. A little bit of mountain laurel, which I think has some really pretty hues. That purple violet color. And then for some height and some contrast, some southern magnolia leaves. Windy. I am really happy with these. These look a lot better than they did about 10 minutes ago. So just to highlight a little bit more, I went to the market yesterday and I got some turnips that have that beautiful lavender color. I got some little mini eggplants, and I also got the same eggplants in kind of this off-white white color. So I'm going to put these on stakes. I'm going to just add these to the arrangement for a little interest, and that's going to be it. So stay with me because I like this so much. I'm going to do this to a wreath that I have. I have both of these planned to be on either side of my back door, and I'm going to add these same kind of elements to a wreath following up in my next video. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for visiting Jenny's Home. I think this was a great use of just local elements and a great way to refresh my old arrangements from the fall. I'm going to show you, I'm going to follow up with some still photos of what these look like on either side of my back door. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.